Have you ever heard of a bird that looks like it came straight from the time of dinosaurs? Well, meet the cassowary. Cassowaries live in the tropical rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. With their bright blue heads, tall helmets called casques, and powerful legs, they look truly magical. Cassowaries love fruit. They're called rainforest gardeners because when they eat fruit and drop the seeds, they help new trees grow. Without cassowaries, the rainforest wouldn't be as green and alive. But don't be fooled. Cassowaries are also super strong. They can run up to 30 miles an hour and jump really high. And those legs, they're powerful enough to kick if they feel threatened. So next time you imagine magical creatures, remember, the cassowary is a real-life bird that's just as mysterious and amazing as any fairy tale animal. And who knows, maybe they're the closest thing we have to dinosaurs still walking on Earth today.